As educators, how can we successfully guide our students along the oftentimes rocky path to English language proficiency? Well, first, we need to understand the language areas where each student may need more support. Using standards-based formative and summative assessments is a good way to uncover the language gaps that may not be obvious. This is important because so much of what we do as teachers in the classroom depends on the data gathered both in the moment and across the language skills and functions being taught. Additionally, take advantage of resources that include comprehensible input, modeling, and practice opportunities that engage and challenge English learners. The English language is complex, nuanced, and oftentimes baffling to even the most experienced language teachers. So incorporating standards-based lessons and resources along with instructional support will help make our teachers' lives a lot easier. Finally, by attending to an asset-based approach to teach language development, we can embrace the individual strengths and diversity of our students while maximizing the opportunity for them to successfully learn language.